welcome to today's video where we're diving into the perfect fusion of beauty and food to kickstart your day. I'll be sharing my recipe for a delicious chia pudding with yogurt, oats. For liquid, I'll be using herbal tea and chia. Alright, so this is the herbal tea liquid I'm talking about. I will be sharing that recipe with you very soon. Afterwards, I bring in my oats, my soaked chia. Next is this yogurt, very creamy yogurt. I firmly believe that prioritizing healthy eating, incorporating exercise into your routine, and being mindful of what you consume not only impacts your overall well-being, but also it reflects in the health and radiance of your skin. So, even though this recipe is open to everybody, be you a male or a female that is concerned about their health, my ladies, when you nourish your body from the inside out, guess what happens? You'll find yourself needing less makeup to enhance your natural beauty. So, join me for this 8-minute journey as we explore how the right combination of beauty and food can transform your mornings and your skin. Do I need to repeat myself? I don't think so. Let's top this with green apples and pomegranate. This green apples and pomegranate, basically, this breakfast provides you a myriad of benefits. So let's say for our yogurt, you get probiotics. Yogurt is very rich in that, which helps your gut health. It aids digestion, basically supports your overall well-being. This breakfast is nutrient dense because of the oats. Oats provide a hearty dose of fiber, and I top that with honey just for some sweetness, and of course just to avoid the sugar. So I was saying oats provide a hearty dose of fiber, keeping you full and satisfied for a radiant, glowing skin. So, yeah, it's a fusion. For me, that's what works. That's basically what works for me. It's a fusion of skincare, yes, and a healthy eating habit. Oats will keep you satisfied literally throughout the morning, or sometimes it can linger for a while. It will also provide you with essential nutrients like magnesium and iron. Now, the combination of my herbal tea and chia are both loaded with antioxidants. I show my fine, beautiful skin. Let's go. These antioxidants will help to combat the stress in your body, reduce inflammation, and support your skin's health. Green apples for fiber and vitamins. They also add texture. Green apples add texture to your pudding. For pomegranates, I'll say vitamin C. Juicy pomegranate seeds not only add a burst of flavor, but they also deliver a powerful punch of vitamin C and antioxidants. Guess what? It promotes skin health and boosts your immunity. So this breakfast is for kings and queens. This breakfast is for you if you're looking to stay healthy, if you're looking to have long life, if you're looking to have a beautiful skin. Incorporating this breakfast into your morning routine not only satisfies your taste buds, but hey, it nourishes your body with essential nutrients, promoting a healthy gut, which is basically a healthy tummy, glowing skin, and you have this burst of energy levels throughout the day. So what are you waiting for? Hop into this chia pudding that has this loaded benefits. Alrighty, human. That is all I have for you. I guess I will be seeing you in my next video. Please like this video, share this video. Let's make healthy humans out there, and leave me a comment below. I would like to know what you thought about this. I will be coming up with a couple of other healthy recipes. That's all I have. Thank you. God bless you. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Bye! Mwah! I love you.